many tea gardens in Sri Lanka, from beside the seashore to up in the mountains in the Central Highlands. We have our own too, some of the best in the country. We pick only 2 tender leaves and the bud to make these beautiful fresh leaves into black tea. First, the withering of leaves. Fresh leaves are placed in troughs, as you can see, almost 1 foot deep, often 80 to 100 feet in length. Fresh leaves contain about 75% moisture. Withering reduces it to about 45% within 6 to 8 hours, depending on weather conditions. Important chemical changes occur during withering. After withering, the leaves are rolled for about 20 minutes. Rolling of withered leaves helps establish proper conditions to break up the cells in the leaves and facilitate enzymatic oxidization of flavanol. The rolling process also determines the size of the tea leaves, which we use to brew tea with. A hard roll makes small leaf tea like BOP, BOPF and Pico dust, while a light roll makes larger leaf tea like orange Pico, Pico and flowery broken Pico. The rolling process completed, the tea is sifted to remove the very large leaves, which then go back for rolling. After sifting the tea, the next important process is oxidization or fermentation. Withered leaves are placed on marble or ceramic slabs about 1 inch deep in a fermentation room maintained at high humidity levels at the lowest feasible temperature, around 25 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. Lower temperatures help to improve flavor characteristics. Then the tea is spread on the slabs. Mild acidification of the oxidized tea increases levels of tea theaflavins. During this process, the green leaf is converted to black tea. Fermentation determines the color, strength and quality of the tea in your cup. This process may take as long as 3 hours. At times during the peak quality season, the fermentation period may be 45 minutes or even less. After fermentation, the tea is ready for baking, also called firing. During the firing process, passing hot forced air over the tea leaves deactivates fermenting enzymes and reduces the moisture. Firing is carried out in dryers. The dryer is like an oven that is used to bake cakes at home. But this oven is much bigger, 12 to 14 feet long. The temperature is around 90 degrees Celsius. You can see the man putting tea into the oven, and in a matter of minutes it is baked. As you can see, the sieving meshes are of different sizes, large, medium and small. The graded tea is then packed into plywood chests or paper sacks specially manufactured for packing tea. Each package is then marked with the name of the plantation, grade of tea, weight, etc. All these cases of tea are ready to be sent to the Dilmah factory and to customers around the world. Now you know how the finest tea on earth, fresh from the fields, goes into these chests and is finally used to make a wonderful healthy drink enjoyed all over the world.